everyone, it's Doris at DF Designs. How are my fluid art friends today? I have somebody that is actually, wait a minute, let me move it so you can see it real quick. I have somebody that is watching me on a chat. So it is my good friend Scarlett, and she's just getting back into acrylic pouring. Okay.
No, I did it one time. That was last night. I've never done it before.
Ah, okay. Oops, you know what I forgot? Where is it? I forgot my colander, because I want to do the molly pour. So here I am unprepared. I left my colander in the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to give this one more shot, Molly, if you're watching, okay? Here's my colander pour. Here's my colander. Here's my canvas. Cups. Which cup do I want to put it in? Well, I'll just do it in this one. Okay, here is my cup. Okay, what I'm going to be... Now, you're not going to be able to see this, Scarlett, but you'll be able to see it on the playback later, how I layer my stuff in here, because I keep it under this camera. Okay. So now I'm going to put a small layer of white down, okay? Then I'm going to do, this is Prussian Blue, which was from the other day. And I pour it down the side so it doesn't sink. It still might be too thick. I don't know, Molly. You're going to have to tell me when you look back at it. And then I pour it down this side. Yeah, it still looks too thick. Oh, well, that's the way it goes, right? Right, Scarlett?
Yep.
I thought I had it thin enough. And then you pour it down the other side like this. And you keep your cup right next to the rim. And you're pouring down the side of the cup so it stays on top of the paint that's down in there. Okay, now I want to do, this is the Artists Loft Dark Turquoise? No, Turquoise. This was the Artists Loft Dark Turquoise. This was the Prussian Blue. My white is the Artists Loft White. And this is Rustoleum Scarlet Red. Or no, Red Metallic. Red Metallic. No, I didn't get the Scarlet one because they quit making it, but Joe Patty found a can of it the other day. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit.
When you put it against the cup, it keeps, the reason you do that, you said, is because it keeps it from going below. It makes it stay on top.
It makes it stay on top. If I was to pour like this, as it's coming down, it would like sink underneath the other colors. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep the colors from not mixing like that. Okay, now I'm going to do...
I always wondered why people did it on the side.
Yep.
I always wondered.
That's to keep it from mixing. That much I know. Okay, now I'm doing a layer of white. Hopefully it's not too thick. Okay, now I'm going to do one more layer of these guys. And I'm going to pour them in the same spots on this layer as I did the other one. And then, now when I go to do the actual pouring into the colander, I'm going to have to pick up the phone and hold it so you can see down in the colander. Because the camera above me is picking that up, Scarlett, but not the phone isn't.
Well,
okay.
Well, just do your thing. I don't want to disrupt you and then it not work because you're having to juggle multiple things. Because I'll watch the video.
Okay, yeah, this is going up tomorrow. This is going to be tomorrow's video. And then, of course, I go live. And I'm doing resin in my live. Okay, this is...
Are you going to do that thing, like you said, with that?
Yeah, I'm going to do the ATD. I'm calling that the ATD Dutch pour because it's in resin. And then I'm going to do the dip. Then I'm going to do the dip swipes. Or try to.
Nice, yeah.
If I can get it blown out, because... Didn't Erica blow it with her mouth after she blew it out with the heat gun?
Yeah, I think she
That's what I
think
thought.
she did. I know she mentioned doing that because she talked about using her face the other night. I'm not sure if I'm getting that mixed up with today's or not.
Okay. Well,
I know she tilted, so she blew it with the heat gun, then she tilted. She might have blown with her face, I don't recall.
okay.
And then I know she dipped it in and swiped, but then when I was watching the playback of what Miss Jen was saying today, something about, so I thought I saw her dip her paper in the way I've done, dipped it in the cup, and then, but I think Miss Jen was saying that she put it on her paper, like, I don't know if she poured it onto her paper the way she
I'm going to be watching it a couple more times tomorrow for the simple fact that...
She may have done both. She may have dipped it, because I know I saw her dip it in the cup.
Back to my colander pour. Okay, here's my colander. As you can see, it's got a very big area that's not covered up in the middle. Can you see it too, Scarlett? Okay.
Yeah.
For some reason, that's the one she likes doing. Now I gotta stand up for this one, okay? And she just basically, the way it's layered, then you just start pouring around and around and around, okay? And it's just the way it comes out. And I've got to make sure that I don't lift up the colander too fast. And I've seen Molly do this where she kind of like goes backwards in her pouring. And of course, look how pretty the cup is. Can you see that? Okay,
yeah, it's super pretty.
Now, here's where I think I screwed up before. Okay. I just saw a bubble.
So do you just want to leave it for a bit so the paint just keeps pushing out through and then...
Yeah. But you have to lift it up to get more of the paint to come out. And you want to do it slowly. That's why I'm going to leave this one on at real time. Because you want it to go out slowly and drip. Okay. I think that's about it. Okay, now I am going to lift you up real quick because you are at a bad angle, Scarlett. Can you see it? Oh, no, that's okay. Hi, Maddox. Hi, Maddox. What's wrong, buddy, huh? What's wrong, buddy? That is, my friend Scarlett's son, Maddox. Maddox, I'm recording you, so shh. Okay, now, I wish... Does she torch it now? Or I think I'm going to torch it now. I'm going to torch it now. Almost knocked a paint cup over into it. Okay. I'm just going to get rid of the bubbles and give it a quick torch. Okay, now, I do know Molly goes this way and she does it slow. See, that's another thing about acrylic pouring, Scarlett, is it can take forever to move your paint around on some techniques. I did get a couple little stars in the middle, Molly, so if you're watching it, you can tell me if I did it right. Okay, now, I'm going to tilt it this way.
That's just beautiful. I just love the design.
I think I've actually got it. And I just tilt it just till it goes over the edge. Now I'm doing it that way, and I'm leaving this video in real time when I post it because I want everybody to see how long it can take. Okay, let me try. See, I'm going to lose all my little lines around the edge now that when I'm getting it down to the corners. But that's what happens with this. Now that corner, back to the center. do this corner. Okay. Back to the center. Okay, Molly, I think I've got one of your pours down. Which, that's all I wanted to do, is just get your pour down. That's all I wanted to do, Molly, is get it done right once. So, I want everybody else to tell me down in the comments what you think about this. Let me get it back in the center. All I gotta do now is touch up my corners.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Thank you, Scarlett.
Wow,
So,
look at that on the how it swirls like that.
yeah, we'll see. I got some of those little, what I called it, wait a minute, I got paint all over my gloves. I call them little star kisses, because that's what they look like.
Totally.
And,
that's awesome.
okay, so, I'm going to tell you guys, this one's a keeper. This one's done.
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful.
And because I covered the back in my with my press and seal, doesn't matter how much paint I got on my gloves and how much I'm getting underneath.
Perfect.
Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna have to end this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you. I wish I could peel that off as a skin. The bowl is so pretty too. Yeah, they can see it on the camera. Love the fluid arts right out of you guys. Please tell me down in the comments what you think, okay? Tell me if you think this one looks better than the one I did the other day when the paints were too thick, okay? And Molly, please tell me what you think. It's your technique I'm doing. So, all I can say to everybody in the video is bye for now.